Okay, we are live. So the goal is to make as much as possible trading with 1K in an hour. As you can see, we just closed a bunch of trades and in 30 minutes. So I'll share the live real quick on in a lot of places. So just add 10K more to this short. And very quickly, I'll share the live everywhere. Let me know if you can hear me. I'm planning to do these lives every time I see an opportunity like this. So the free signals chat, I'm live. It's getting the alerts. And then Twitter, we just took profit. Another, look at this, 1.2K now. Let me just make it smaller. So we're basically micro scalping here, and the goal is to grow a small account. Here's the take profit. We're shorting Solana for the 30 minutes. We'll only be shorting Solana. Every pump will short a little bit more. There's a lot of reasons behind this trade shorting more. And 86 now. Let me know if you can hear me in the chat. I am going to open up the chat and stuff right now. And we're at 1.2K, which is great. I'll get some water in my system now because I'm very, very thirsty. Just woke up. Thank you for the like. I'm planning to do this, as I said, every single day. I think we can make $300 or $400 within the 30 minutes time frame. All my trades are on the signal chat. Only the microscalps are not there, but the meme coin trades, everything else is. Last macroscalping session, we made a lot in 30 minutes. Let's see how that goes. Hey Ferris. Thank you for the thumbs up. I might add a little bit more. So I will be adding in more basically when we get to these levels for sure. 13s. So prepare under 10K order. But in the meantime, I'll just get some water. When we finish, the microscalps will take real trades, longer term trades for the day. Gonna be a beautiful day. Okay, I'm preparing a 15K to make it a 10K to go up to around here. The next 30 minutes we'll have dumps. Just some analysis real quick on the thesis. Would you mind giving some insight on SPX? Yep. So right now we have, money flows curving up again. No, yes, last candle was here. It was not curving up, so it was bearish then. VOOX is still curving down for Solana. Money flow is curving up, which is not good. So let's check SPX. USDTP. So if you go to XPX, SPX, especially the daily chart, money flow is bullish, VWAP is bearish, and then volume, how is volume doing? It's not bearish. 8 mil buyers, 8 mil sellers, 11 versus 9 buyers, sellers. There's more buyers than sellers. So I might short it if we go here. 5958. I'll actually set up an alert to short it. In the meantime, we'll go to Solana and we gotta enter in another short. Just did. So the new take profit would be here. Ready. We've got enough ammo. I can add in more money if we need to, but I wanna have this challenge with 1K. Here are some of the last days on this new account that I've been growing. I think it's pretty good. Look at this. 328, 430, 45, 97, 300, 1095, 500 bucks. So equity curve. Oh, we just took profit. Look at this. Beautiful. 1.236. So we'll add in a small short now to 77. Here we go. And I'll prepare to short from my phone for another 15K if we go up a little bit. 12 minutes have passed, 18 minutes left, by the way. In the meantime, I might search for some actual trades that I will take. So if we go and refresh this real quick, let me get some water. So again, the goal of this trade, let me put the screen on if you're wondering how the trade is doing. Basically, the market is bearish for the first at least 30 minutes of this 2-hour candle. At least. So what we'll do here is, but J Ferraras, sorry, you gotta be careful because Bitcoin is not very bullish, and this might stop SPX's growth. We're almost to take profit here. So let's find some shorts in the meantime. Check this out. Bartcoin, Bitcoin, Kitecoin, Zekcoin, WCT coin. Oh, we just took profit. Look at that. So now we'll add in another one. And which will close at 65 at the support area. I think we're going lower, so I don't mind shorting more and more. At around 85-ish, 87, I might short a little bit more. So I gotta be careful. I've got my finger on the short right now, but it might just dump. I'll be happy if it pumps first. 240 bucks so far. Another profit. Look at this. This was easy. Okay, so I'm preparing a 15K from my phone. I just faster for me. Was worried about that. Yeah. But if you believe in the coin, just like Murad does, it would make sense to DCA into it. So even if it goes down, if you have some capital to deploy and buy a little bit on every 10% dump, for example, sizing into conviction plays with by dollar cost averaging is normally pretty good idea. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I think for Sonata, because I don't want to just look at it all the time, I'll go to the 1 minute and I want to set up an alert if it goes to. I'm gonna take profit again. This is too easy. I thought this challenge was gonna be hard, but now it's just too easy today. We've got the momentum on our side. A short 10k more for the coacher, and 49 will be to take profit on both these trades, and then I'll prepare more ammo at 8 plus. So if we go to 8 at least, so 75, I'll set up alerts. 8-ish, I'll start buying. In the meantime, let's see actual trades that I'll hold for longer. Do we have anything good? So we have a potential short here, and I'll short it from here. We're shortings. Yep, I am. There's a delay in the stream. There's an automatic delay. I don't think I can do anything about it. Let's see if I can make it lower, so you can get these trades faster. Customization. There's an automatic delay. There's nothing I can do about it. But yeah, you should definitely join the Signal chat. It's absolutely free. It's in the link in the description down below. For the longer term trades, I'll post all of them. These micro scalps. Opportunities today. Bottom long. You can see name of coin. Hey Ziva, thanks so much for first tuning into the stream. We're shorting Solana right now, only Solana. But in the meantime, I'll be adding in more stuff that will short longer term. Yes, I will say the name of the coins. I just want to see if I'll buy them because I have them on my screener. In 12 minutes, we'll stop micro shorting. We'll just normal shorting. This is almost a take profit. We're up 267 bucks pretty quickly on the small account. P&L analysis right here on the small account. We're up from basically nothing, 2.8 grand from 100 bucks. First we started challenge loss 164, 328, 430, 45, 97, 398, 1095, and 610 today. I think this could be a 2k day. I might start adding in. I'll add in a little bit to this trade because I'm not super happy with my target. So I shorted a little bit more so I can have a better target. But then again, DCA really I need to get to 9, so 90 is probably radiates at least to DCA more into the short. Right now it's a very small loss, like 20 bucks. We can handle it. So the goal would be to short a little bit here, short a little bit, short a little bit here. It will dump. I've done my research. I've waited for this moment to start this stream. And obviously, by the way, this video is not financial. We took so much profit. So grass. We set up an alert for grass. TNS check it out. Man, I'm so tired. I've slept for 3 or 4 hours. I would really appreciate some time, but I want to trade. This is the thing. I'm hooked. You know, the market is very hot. Look, I will not short this. This is almost a take profit. STRK. How is STRK doing? Let's get the volume on the daily chart. Yep, it's bearish, all right. It's bearish, all right. I'm gonna short STRK with 1,000, a small position. So take profit would be, I'll actually add in a 7K position, take profit at 2618 or 19. We just took profit on Solana, which is great. 2618, 32. To 618. And then so STRK also added in the signals chat, but we're already up 20 something dollars on it. It's almost a tech profit. This was too fast. STRK short. These are, the market is really good right now for shorts. It's favoring shorts. Let's check out Solana again. I'm gonna place a short again, and it's 43.3, and I think it will hit instantly. But if it doesn't, we know what to do. We know what to do. We're up almost 300 bucks in 20 something minutes now. WCT STRK. So STRK, we already have that. I can follow you too fast. I know this is microscoping, but sometimes you can get a better entry on some of the trades. And also some of the trades are not that fast. This is microscoping. This is like, I don't do this. I only do this for 30 minutes from time to time. When the market has the opportunities I'm waiting for right now, which we have. So normally you won't see me doing this. I'll do normal trades, which takes some time. For example, STRK right now, I'm only up, down $17 on it. So if you want, you can short it. It was almost a big profit. I'll short a little bit more on it. It was so close to take profit. Solana as well. Look at this. It doesn't want to dump. It just does not want to dump. At the 50s, I'll start shorting more. Probably around here, I'll add to the shorts. Hello to everyone just tuned in. Guys, we have 6 people in the chat, but no one is liking that. Yeah, microscoping. I'll stop with these microscopes very soon, in 6 minutes. And then we'll just do normal trades. So don't worry about that. We'll get some good trades going. So I'm already trying to prepare for the good trades by finding some. And then we'll also check out meme coins. So it's gonna be a long stream. After we make up, I'm hoping we can make like 500 bucks in the stream. Look at this bottom long, how cool that was. I'm not shorting that here, but I can short this here. Sick. And I'm announcing the signal chat, and in the signal chat you have time for these trades. They're not as fast as the ones I'm trading right now. These are too fast. I want to check out Solana before shorting again. So money flow on 1 minute. Okay, it makes sense. I'll add in a little, one more short, and then take profit would be at 3. Oh, we're at take profit almost. Look at that. Look at this beauty. Oh, come on. Come on. Don't play with me. We're so close. Look at this. There's no buying pressure. This is not good. Even though this week is means there's people entering actually. Yeah, now we can pump a little bit. So I gotta be ready to size in on the 6th and the 67th. So at 6-ish, I'll start having alerts. And at 67, something around here, I just got a short quickly. So in the meantime, WCT, we took profit on it yesterday, but how is it looking like today? So it looks like a short. Looks like a short. How will we short it? So now I gotta take in another short. I also want to quickly short this with 2001. Okay, here we go. Adding in this short. I also gotta move my Solana trade. Man, it's tiring. So we gotta do 1772. My dog is mad at some dog. Curry, Nick. My dog is mad at some dogs outside. 1426 take profit on WCT. That's gonna be a 250 bucks trade. Ooh, that's gonna be big. Okay, we're down on Solana now. We're still up 170 bucks on the and since the started the challenge, but we will need to be DCAing into this trade here and here and here and here. In the meantime, I'm getting an alert on my phone on a meme coin train, and it's called Jack Zuku's dog. Jack. Let's see if Jack is any good. No, it's not. Um, yeah, before adding in more trades, I'll try to finish the Solana trade. And also for the WCT trade, I don't know, I'm a little worried holding it for so long. Is there another target I can take on the 4 hour like this one? This makes complete sense. 1525, by the way. So I think I'll move to 1525 on it. It's gonna be 100% plus, 100 bucks plus trade. So now it's almost at profit here. In the meantime, your dog sounds like an angry bull. Yeah, it's a beagle. Okay, I'm adding a little bit more juice to this trade. Probably done. And I'm gonna take profit at 38 now. Look at how many shorts I took and how many trades I took here. When we're micro scalping, it's intense. This is the 1 minute chart. I'm taking so many trades per minute on it. I'd expect to be down like a few $100 as well. Like it can go here and we got a DCA here, DCA, but now we can't really buy until we go to the late 80s, maybe 90s, price wise. And also we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. So now I'm a little worried. So what we'll do is we'll move the trade. to a 5 pip, 5 point profit. We just took profit on STRK, I think. Yup, look at this. Easy. STRK was easy. Signals chat, link in description down below, absolutely free. I have him selling nothing. And look at that. Hopefully you managed to get on STRK. And let's see, what can I do here? Should I add in like 11k more short? I will, but I gotta stop. So 48 is where I'll take profit. And after that, we're done with the micro scalping after this trade because it's 30. It's 830. Also for Solana, I'll add in an alert. If you go to the 90s, I might buy here. I might short more here, but we're probably gonna dump down. But even if we don't dump, I'll size in more. But we're making money. We're down on the WCT trade by 14 bucks, which is not, and we're up 240 if we get to even 336, basically, in 30 minutes. So WCT, we already have this trade closing that. NP and something, FET, SPX. We already checked that for you, so we won't be looking at this. Dash. So we've got a few coins to look at. Then we'll go to meme coins. It's gonna be a busy morning. How about that? And then I'll play Fortnite, I'll read the Bible, I don't know. It's gonna be a beautiful morning. Does anyone have the Samsung, random thought of the day, does anyone have the Samsung Fold? Because I'm thinking if I should buy it. I've been an iPhone user for over 10 years. We're actually at take profit here. Look at this. Look at this. That's beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. Nice. Another profit. That's too easy. 350 bucks in 30 minutes. Say what? 356 bucks. Thank you. Well, we also have 1.3k to spend on meme coins, so 2.6k to spend on different stuff. Let's start. Fetch. Man, I wish YouTube wasn't so bad with copyright stuff, so I can put some music. Even the copyright-free music I had copyrighted on. So that's sad. Ain't supposed to be that way. So we're gonna put up a short here. It's gonna be a $1,200 short. So I have, that would be 200 bucks risk. Done. We shorted it. 3764 would be stop loss, and it's not a stop loss. I don't stop loss like that. I just have like some stop loss just in case, but I will stop loss manually when I see some particular things going on with the chart. Particular things. We're looking for particular things. Look at this. Also, I gotta make some calculations. So we made 48 bucks on STRK. So normally what I want us to do is I want to do 34 bucks per the scalps, and then now I have 3, so now I'm expecting 102. This would make sense in a little bit. Look at this beautiful short, and we got the exact bottom for the short. This is so nice. This is so nice. No need for music. Okay. I'm happy that I'm enough. ZK, let's check out ZK. 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 Okay, that's a short. Look at this 8-1 versus 8-9. Bearish. 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 It's bearish. It's bearish, bro. So this would be a 1,000 something trade. These are big. These are not small trades in terms of risk to reward are actually really good, because I will stop not based on that alone. So 5746 would be the stop loss. And then take profit 4688. Remember to take profits with limit orders. So you have good stuff coming for you. To see what did I do? 102 plus 34, 136. 136. This is an important number. Okay, so ZK is here. We're ready with the ZK trade. Look at this, 360 on this account. I also don't need so much on it, so I'll remove some for meme coins in a little bit. This is just for the challenge. I'll put it on a few other accounts. This is the only thing that I'm worried about here is that it's just curving in terms of VWAP, so shorting here would not be a good idea, and I want to be strict with my rules. Zen, near, hype, APT, and we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of things that we'll check out, by the way, also here in this terminal. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Zen. What's happening with Zen? Is it Zenning? Huh? Look at this. The whole market is... I'm actually tempted to go in for a short here, and I will. To 33. Basically the support. Shorting into support. How stupid are you, Niki? How stupid are you for shorting into support? How stupid are you? Haven't you watched technical analysis videos? Haven't you watched any videos on YouTube on how things should be? You have not. You have no idea. Oh, BP is profitable. BP. I'm getting some alerts on meme coins. So for this trade, what I'll do is I'll add it in, and then I would be good with the future trades. I don't want to overexpose myself with futures trades. I think. I'm not sure. 17644, maybe one more. 1474 would be take profit. Okay, nice. We've got this. We've got this. Okay, so in the meantime, oh, I forgot to say ZK short here. ZK short. Zen short. Fed short. Pre-signal chat if you want to follow the trades. These are longer term trades, not like the Solana trades. Solana trades, nuts. The micro scalping is crazy. Now I gotta short more, which is not what I want to do, but I have to. Just have to. Now I'll have an alert here, and I'll start buying at this resistance, shorting into this resistance. Basically, right here, we'll add in more. I'll prepare a 10K. In the meantime, so we said one more trade for this, and then we'll go for meme coins. Stay hydrated, guys, girls. Stay hydrated. Drink some water if you haven't already, with some lemon. Pretty nice. Get some coffee into your coffee. How can you forget that? Oh, look at this. We're in profit. What am I? We are in profit. I'm gonna get some more water. I drank 3 glasses of water in a few minutes. And this is before coffee profit. We're pro. This is so easy. This is so easy. This is just so easy. It's impossibly easy. So now we gotta do 34 multiplied by 5, and then we'll subtract 56. So put some salt in the water for better. That's a good idea. Gotta get that minerals in. That's a good idea, Zivot. Zivot or Zivot? Solana. Why am I looking at Solana? I don't want to short it anymore. That was enough. We made like 400 bucks on it. 3 likes. That's so cool. We're going for 10 slowly but surely. I'll do these streams daily. This is fun for me. If we have good opportunities, why not? Aster, we're going short on Aster. How short are we going on Aster? We'll see. So the first thing on Aster will be this. Take profit here. And then here. Okay, we're good. We're good with Aster. We're gonna try to not forget to put it in the free signals chat. Aster short. Boom. Boom. Ziv. Like this. Is this your name or nickname? 5727. 15727, and we have 2 free 10. We're good. We are good. We are good. So what I want to do now is calculate something else. So these are longer term trades, not to be confused with. So 1393, I will withdraw some. I don't need so much on this account. Probably need 400 left. So withdraw 993, I think. Okay, so we have 400 left on this account. And then we'll spend a lot on meme coins. Because with the risk I'm taking, and we're already up another 40 bucks, and these are lower risk trades, unlike the other ones. So now I'm sending the money to another meme coins account that I'm using. And then we'll buy some meme coins. There's some good opportunities. I'm sure. Let me make sure I send it to the right address. Here we go. Nickname. Nice, bro. Look at this. Look at this. We were talking about shorting Solana here. We started shorting and look what happened. Kept dipping. Every pump was a shorting opportunity. This happens like once or twice per day for 30 minutes where I can do this. Again, this is no financial advice. No financial advice. So we don't need to look at Solana now. We can just check out. We can just check out Bitcoin. We can just check out Bitcoin. On 2 hour, of course. And then I just gotta need calculate something. So I'll write this here. 42548. With the risk, this is a good amount to close quicker. Man, I want to short Solana now. I really want to short Solana here, but I shouldn't. We've got enough trades. Look at this. We're up 24 bucks on WCT. Hopefully manage to take some of the trades. So we won't be doing that. So now we go to my other Chrome tab, which has my meme coin trades. So what do we have here? We have X, which I don't know why I closed. Just looked wrong to have it open. Speed, Lion, TNSR, ZKD. There's some issue with DEX screener today. It doesn't show locked liquidity. I'm not buying this. This is awful. We're looking for some hyper specific stuff. Hyper specific. It's tough and it's hyper specific stuff. Man, why I didn't short this? Why didn't I didn't buy this? I should have bought it. I should have bought it. I should have bought it. I was waiting for a bigger dip, as you can see, from 4 hours ago. Barely see. Oh, this might be it. This might be the trade. This might be the trade. No, look at this 7K versus 60K sellers. 3 times more sellers here. I'm not buying this. This is awful. This is going to zero. This is going. We might buy it on a dump. Yeah. 13% though. Now let's continue with DNSR. Let's check out the bubble map. Gotta check that bubble map. This is the worst thing. Look, this is bundled. This is very bad. ZTKR. Let's check this out. I remember wanting to buy this and forgetting to buy this. And then now I'm sad because now I gotta wait for 2.5 at 20% dump to actually enter because I want to have an edge. I want to have alpha in the market. I don't want to just buy stuff. I want to have alpha. Some alpha here and there. 11, 12. And then we're gonna remove that. 6, 7. 6, 7. There are buyers for the first time in a while, but this has to be a very quick trade. If we're gonna take it with discount, we can splurge. We can do a big trade, maybe 700 max, because we'll move the price and the edge will be gone. And now we're gonna put it in the signals chat. And now we're also gonna set up some alerts to check it out. And then I want to see something else as well. If we go to 11, 2, I'll buy more. And then on Padre, which I have a link for in the description below, which is a very easy way to buy stuff. What, I didn't manage to buy this? Come on. I'm gonna buy for 750 now. You made me mad. 1355. I would need alerts on both Padre because sometimes the screener forgets to send you the alert or it's a little bit slow, so you want two platforms. This is how professional traders do it, right? This is how the real guys. This is who you're trading against. People using multiple ways to get alerts. Oh, I bought Solana. Okay, this is the worst coin I've seen in my life. Look at this chart. This is... How is this? Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You know what? It's not that bad. There's specific things I'm looking for in these charts, and I might see them. But I know the ATR, the average true range on this coin would be bad. Not make sense. Maybe at 5.4 I'll get some. Why wouldn't I? If I can, and I will, and I might. Wojak, oh yeah, Christmas Sweet on Ace, Boo Boo, Kit Kat, Grass, Bucky. So many coins to check. So many coins to check. No, I don't like this. Oh yeah, this was a good coin like a year ago. And it's the bubble maps is not bad, but the chart looks weird. No. That's why it looks weird. This looks weird. The boo boo. I don't like it. Kit Kat. Had alerts on it. I might buy it now. So let me just check the volume. It all depends on what I see here, and I'll buy it, but it really depends on the price. So wait for 15.07. This is around 10% from my target. Then we'll go ahead and check out grass. We won't be buying that. We won't be buying this either. So we're going to people. Saki, I already know it's bundled. Dexter and back. Kermit I've opened twice. Dexter, did I open? No. How are the shorts going on futures? Actually, yeah, we were at 440, 410, but we made like $400 from micro scalping. And these are longer term trades. This will take some time to play out, maybe hours, probably hours, definitely hours. So I shouldn't be micromanaging those. Here we might buy if we fall below 4 people. The screener is a little slow today. Cinema. Cinema has to dump to 2.6 or 2.554 below the point of control for me to have some interest in it. Kermit's not good enough. That's not good enough. It's not good enough. We've got this. We've got this. We did it. We did it. Baby, I remember baby. I remember pro. I remember this. Let's turbo, pump turbo, PFP, pumpkade is good. Army, let's check out Army, Arena, and Mori. We opened too many things. This might be it. I had some alerts on it, and I'll set more alerts on it. It's not a problem. I've got the alerts. This is not something that I'll buy. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Oh, come on. This might be it, man. We might be buying into this useless coin. This is from the live stream era. Whenever this guy live stream, it pumps. And then it dumps to infinity and beyond. But it has liquidity, so we can buy it on a dip. We might buy it. I'm not saying I will buy it. We won't buy it. It's probably a terrible coin. The fundamentals are, but look at the fundamentals. The fundamentals are solid. It's live stream coin from a big crypto ROS channel, I think, with the guy called George. What can go wrong? It was supposed to go up. Look at this. This has to go to 1250 for me to be interested. Because I'm not buying those coins dump like no tomorrow. Yup. And you gotta make sure you're buying at the right time because they pump fast as well. But there's so many. It's unlike futures. It's worse. The PVP here is worse than futures. This is almost a buy. It has to fall like 3% more though, which makes it here. Mori. I don't like it. It was a nice day today. I barely slept. I was trading, so then I was buying the dip, and was crazy. Arena just went under. Let me take the alert on my phone. Alert on my phone. Mm, it has to dump so much more. Oh, no. It does, but then you need a bigger dump because then the volume doesn't look good. And we need the next support area. Here as well, probably have an alert at 6.5. And then for fog, I won't be buying that. So we basically checked out all the coins. We bought some stuff, basically this. We're up on it a little bit. We bought some shorts, futures, and it's time to read the Bible, play some games, chill a little bit, maybe work out. We're down with these coins, and I'm not worried. A tiny little bit. Tiny little, not even a tiny little bit, you know? Love it on my heart. The next video. I can do these streams very regularly if you're interested, probably every day.